Here is everything out of the box. To begin setup, all you need is the Zoom box. Grab the handy recorder and the batteries. Put the batteries into the recorder. Make sure there is an SD card in the recorder. Turn the recorder on by sliding and holding the power button until the screen turns on. Grab your desired microphone. Attach it to the recorder by pushing in the side buttons and pushing it on top of the recorder. If you are using the XY mic, you can change it from 90 degrees to 120 degrees by rotating the mics. Now grab the headphones and plug it into the side of the microphone. This will allow you to hear what is being recorded and also hear the playback.
To navigate the Zoom display, there are two buttons, the menu and the scroll buttons. Before you begin recording, you must select the project folder you would like to save the session's files to. To do this, press the menu button and use the scroll button to navigate the menu categories. The categories will be named at the top of the Zoom's display. To select a category, push in the scroll button. To leave that category, press the menu button. To select the project folder, scroll with the scroll button to the folder option and push in the scroll button. From there, you can select a project folder by pressing in the scroll button. Once you are in that folder, you can press the record button to get to the recording screen. To begin recording, you must select the microphone input. The LR button will select the top microphone input. Once you have selected the microphone, you can begin the recording by pressing the record button. While you are recording, the time elapsed will display in red. To stop recording, press the record button again. To access the recorded file, go back to the menu and select the project file you chose previously. The new file should appear there. You can play it back by selecting it with the scroll button. After finishing your session, you can power off the device by sliding and holding the power button until the screen turns black. Remove the SD card from the recorder to access the files.